Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to lock apps on the Poco X5. Now to do that, just open the settings app. Now from here, scroll down and tap on apps. Now from here, tap on Applock. Now from here, tap on turn on. Now from here, connect at least 4 dots and create a pattern. Now from here, just draw the pattern one more time to confirm your pattern. Now from here, once you confirm your pattern, just tap on next. Now from here, tap on Not Now. Now from here, just wait a few seconds and tap on Not Now. Now from here, tap on Use App Lock. Now from here, tap on Cancel. Now from here, just enable this toggle for the apps which you want to lock, just like that. Now once you have done that, just go to your home screen, and if you open any apps which you have enabled App Lock on, it will ask you to enter the pattern, just like that. And this is how you can lock apps on the Poco X5. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.